Okay. Alright guys, so quick unboxing here. This is a Joby GorillaPod SLR-Zoom. It's a great handy little piece of kit, a tripod. If you're doing vlogging or stuff, vlogging, then it's something that you can use, because a lot of guys kind of hold it with the camera on top, but I do it for a different purpose. And you can see a couple of pictures on here about how you can use it. But it's got very gripping. If I open it up, I'll show you it. So it's got this fancy plastic casing thing. I was hoping I'll use my knife, but I don't think I can, because it's got this little... You need to get the big knife. You need to get the big knife. You always have the... You're the silent background, you never speak. Okay, so that is it. So that came in that Gorilla SLR Zoom. That's a packet. So there you can see it's got various functionalities, and it's got a little zoom thing there. So it gives you an idea of size. That's like a normal phone, and that's how big it is. So you can use it for things like mounting lights, because the hair rim lights in the background, you can normally have this on the ground. So if I put that on there like that, and you can just adjust it, it gives you a funky angle like that, and just light up behind you on the floor. Or sometimes you can actually, if you've got a cable up top or a beam, you can just put it in the beam and it can kind of hold itself. So it's quite handy in that sense, but it's something I think handy to have. They're not very expensive, they're about 20-30 quid now. So you could pick one of these up and add them to your kit as an accessory that you could use, especially in videography and lighting. They come in handy. So on this screen, that there you go. It's always got a funny shape to it, but you can kind of put it back to normal by doing that. So that's your SLR GorillaPod Joby done. Boom.